Hi, I'm Jordan with SawBlade.com. Are you in demand for an industrial blade to help you tackle all your projects? Well, SawBlade.com has got you covered. This is our 5 3/8 inch mild steel Q-Saw blade. This mild steel blade is designed to handle materials with a wall thickness from a 16th to 3/8 of an inch. The 5 3/8 blade fits all machines with a 20mm arbor and with a max speed of 4,200 RPMs. It's equipped with an industrial quality metal cutting carbide with a triple chip design. This provides excellent blade life as well as an outstanding finish in a variety of applications. It also has a thick laser cut body yielding superior rigidity to the blade, making it tough enough to handle even the toughest of projects. To get your industrial quality Q-Saw blade, log on to SawBlade.com where we offer a wide variety of performance sawing products at factory direct prices. I'm Jordan with SawBlade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.